y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how I made and installed this Crochet Faux Loc 4x4 lace closure wig. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a return subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a Crochet Faux Loc 4x4 lace closure wig. And I'm going to be using these Crochet Faux Locs that I got from a company on Amazon. It is from the NINER store, and these are the NINER 45 Roots Butterfly Fluffy Locks 12-inch pre-loop curly passion twist hair extensions for beauty in the color 30. And these locks are $18.99, and they also have a coupon going, so go ahead and check that out. I will put more hair information and a link to purchase in my description box below if you're interested. In the package, you can see it has 3 packs of the crochet butterfly locks. It has a little thank you card, some rubber bands, and some hairpins. I got 2 of these like 3-pack things, if you get what I'm saying. So it was like 6 bundles in total. And this is what the crochet butterfly locks are looking like. They're very bouncy and very lightweight, and they have like a little like twist kind of knot to them that puts a little butterfly effect. And there's 45 locks for each order, and I have 2 of them, so I have a total of 90 locks, and I used all 90 locks for this Crochet Faux Loc wig. Now to make this wig, I used a mesh braiding and weaving cap that I got from my local beauty supply store. And the inside of this cap has 2 clips, and it's like basically a crochet net, like, but it's elastic. I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon too, but I got it from my local beauty supply store. And I'm also using a old 4x4 lace closure that I had. Y'all know it's my first time making a wig, and I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. I gotta use a used piece of something because I ain't trying to waste no coins. So anyways, go ahead and put the wig cap onto my 24-inch canvas head, and I'm gonna get that on tight, put some T-pins in, and then I'm gonna secure the lace onto it with some T-pins so that I could sew it in place. Okay, so now that the lace closure is secure, I'm going to go ahead and start crocheting on the crochet butterfly locks. And in the back of the wig, I made them like pretty spaced out, but I put them closer together as I got closer to the top near the lace closure. You're going to be able to see like how I placed it so that I would be able to make it look as full as possible with the amount of locks that I had. I would advise like 3 packs, 3 separate orders, so like a total of 135 locks to make this wig, because that will like make it more full. And this was okay, but it was still some like spaces where there were gaps. I couldn't shake my head too hard or whatever, but it was cool. But if you want it to be like really full and you want to make sure like none of that cap is showing, I would advise using 3 orders of the hair. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do too much talking. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory until I get to the lace closure, I guess. I'll be back then. Okay, so now that I'm done crocheting onto the net itself, I'm going to go ahead and cut the piece off where the lace closure is going to be, so it could just be the lace closure there. And then I'm going to start working on the closure. Now this 4x4 lace closure is about a year old, so I'm just gonna like try to make it look as fresh as possible. I'm going ahead and tint in the lace with my She Is Bomb collection tint foam. I'll put all the products that I'm using and tools, everything, all the information will be in my description box below if you're interested. So I'm going ahead and section out the middle part, and then I'm gonna start doing my box braids so that I could do the individual crochet on this closure area. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the wig off camera, and this is what it's looking like. And I'm just gonna try it on to see how it fits and to see how I want to wear it. Like, I initially made this wig to be a middle part wig, but once I put it on, like, it was so cute. I was like, oh, let me try to do a side part. So you're gonna see that in the first clip, or in some of these clips, I have it installed as a side part, and then in the rest of these clips, I have it installed as a middle part. This is really cute. Like, I'm pretty sure I could wear this wig glueless like I have with my other braided wigs, but I wanted to glue this wig on specifically because I wanted to use this lace glue that I've been using on my clients. It's another black woman owned business. I got it from my local beauty supply store, but she also has a website and social media network, so I'll leave all her info in the description box below if you're interested. This is the QG waterproof lace glue. This is a travel size. I believe she has a bigger size, but y'all go check that out. Check my description box if you're interested. Now, I'm not gonna be doing like a tutorial for this install. I'm gonna just be quiet, let y'all enjoy the video, and I'll be back towards the ending. And this is what the wig is looking like. Okay, it came out way better than I expected. I kind of wish I would have used that brand new lace, because I really did not expect for it to come out this nice. It's so cute. And you know how I said I couldn't shake my head too hard? Like, it was, you know, it was together. You can see the bag. It was together. So I want to give a big shout out to NINER here on Amazon for sending me these crochet butterfly locks. I really like them. I love the color. I love how lightweight they are. I love how bouncy they are. And they were pretty easy to wrap around the plaits that I did on the lace closure. Like, they were very easy to unravel and wrap back around. So that's a good thing. And if you made it this far in this video, like, you're the true MVP. Big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love y'all so much.